In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom shapes in Canva. This simple and creative process is a great way to add a unique touch to your designs, whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, or any other project. So grab your cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. First, open Canva, and in the left sidebar, click on the Elements tab. This is your gateway to a wide range of design options, including shapes, graphics, and more. Once the Elements panel is open, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type shape into this search field. This action will display a variety of pre-designed shapes, from circles to more complex figures that you can use as building blocks for your project. Next, let's use a frame shape. Frames are incredibly versatile in Canva and serve as placeholders where you can drop images. They come in different shapes and sizes, allowing you to create dynamic designs effortlessly. Scan through the available options and select the frame shape that best aligns with your vision by clicking on it. Once you've chosen a frame shape, it's time to customize it further according to your needs. You can easily resize the frame by clicking and dragging the corners. Adjusting its size ensures that it fits perfectly within your design layout, whether you're creating a small social media graphic or a larger poster. Experiment with different dimensions until you're satisfied with the look. Now let's move on to styling your shape's border. Canva offers a variety of border styles to choose from. Click on the border style icon located in the toolbar above your design area. Here you can explore different border options and select a style that complements your overall design aesthetic. Whether you want a classic bold edge or something more subtle, the choice is yours. Since we're working with a frame, we have the added bonus of being able to insert an image. To do this, navigate over to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. This is where you can manage your personal image library. Click on Uploads and then either select an image you've already uploaded or add a new one from your device. Finally, it's time to integrate your chosen image into the frame. Simply drag and drop the image from your uploads directly into the frame. Canva will automatically fit the image within the shape, giving you a beautifully customized design element. Adjust the image position as necessary, and your custom shape is ready to shine. With these steps, you've successfully created a custom shape in Canva, complete with personalized images and styling. This technique can be a fantastic addition to any visual project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.